So I have a glove box latch handle that is completely broken off in the salvage yard. I wanted to show you how this thing works so that you can go in and release your glove box. So we have I've got one, this one came out of a Honda Element. This works for the Element CR-V, we've got the RSX here. They all use a very similar latch. And on the back of the latch, so we're looking at the latch like this. You're gonna look for the back of the lock cylinder, and then there is this piece of metal that kind of goes down, and that's what the latch is pulling up on when you go to release it. So we want to be pushing that in a down direction. So I'm going to go in here. Let's see if, I hope this is clear on the video. You're going to look for kind of the little loop, stick a small screwdriver in there. You know, I'm going to go in and try with a hook here just for the purposes of this video. Yep, there we go. So that gets it loose, and yeah, there you go. Let me show you that again. It's just this piece of metal on the back. You're going to look in and press that down, yeah, in that direction. So I am back in the office with a bunch of different latches here. I thought of one thing. You might need to Dremel out this area of the latch to get access to that lever on the back. I have some different latches for the different cars here. This is the CR-V. They have a brown one and a tan one, and they use the black one as well as the Honda Element. The Honda Element also has this is a gray one. The RSX uses a black latch as well, and there is a titanium one that I don't have here. I hope that helps. I have OEM part numbers as well as links to eBay in the description. We'll see you next time.